Welcome back to Bobby Repairs It. I'm working on a STIHL FS56 RC. And you're like, what is that, Bobby? It's a steel trimmer. Take a look at that. Steel trimmer right there. And I am cleaning out the spark arrestor. You're probably like, what is a spark arrestor, Bobby? Well, I'm here to tell you the spark arrestor is in the muffler, and it's just a screen to catch any of the sparks so that it doesn't fly out and start a fire somewhere. You don't want no fire out in wherever you're trimming. So let's take a look. On most equipment like chainsaws, trimmers, small engine stuff, you have your exhaust port over here. That's the exhaust. Usually have some type of little screw like that. This is just a little flathead screw. So we're on its side here. So you'd look at it like this. You're like, oh, hey, there we go. So come in. That screw is sitting right in there. Take that out. Get some pliers. And go ahead and pull that spark arrestor out. As you can see, that spark arrestor, you cannot see through that screen. So, yeah, I'm going to show you how to clean the spark arrestor out using a little blowtorch like that. It's very simple. I'll show you. Let's take a look. First, what you want to do, turn on your blowtorch. Then, with pliers, holding the spark arrestor in the pliers, you take the blowtorch, and all you do is you're just heating that screen up, just like so, and you're just burning that stuff off. Burn that gunk right off, get it red hot, and that's how you clean a spark arrestor. You can see it's red hot. See how much cleaner that is already? I'm going to take a couple more passes till it's all the way clean and there's no more gunk. And what you can also do is take a little wire brush and knock off the little excess that's on there if you'd like. But that's pretty clean. You can see through it now. That is a good clean spark arrestor. Now you just install that back into the machine like you took it out. Thanks for watching Bobby Repairs It. Now you know how to clean out a spark arrestor. If you can't fix something, maybe I can help. So leave a comment and old Bobby will see ya whenever I see ya.